Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create your note on the Notes Writer application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then you should click on the plus icon at the top. Tap on new PDF note or new scribble note, and then a blank page will appear to you. So all you have to do is just simply typing in your note, and as you can see at the top, you can draw to it, use the highlighter, insert images, the date and time, and other options as well. You can also create a text note, as you can see. So just simply start typing it in, and you can choose your keyboard by tapping on the first icon in the middle of the screen. You can make your text bold, italicize it, underline it, strike through it. You can use these options to go to the previous row or to the next row. You can select the paragraphs. You can make your text bigger, select the font size. The text color can be chosen as well, such as the background color, the line spacing, first line indent, the paper size. You have a bunch of options here. Margins can be adjusted, and so on. So that's how you can make your text or note on the Notes Writer application. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.